Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Ho, a licensed acupuncturist here at Healing with Zen, and today I wanted to go ahead and give you guys the 101 on body Gua Sha. Now, I know we covered facial Gua Sha before, but body Gua Sha is using a different technique and different tools in order to achieve a decrease in inflammation and a decrease in pain in the body. So the technique is a little bit different than facial Gua Sha, and we're gonna run through all the basics of it today. So body Gua Sha is done using one of these Gua Sha tools right here. There's a few different shapes and sizes that you can choose in order to treat different areas of the body, and it's used in order to increase the microcirculation in the certain area that it's scraped on. And it's also great for getting out knots, any kind of inflammation in the body. And with the decrease in inflammation, there's also decrease in pain, decrease in aching, and decrease in stagnation in the body. A few other things that it can also treat depending on the area that it's done on is any cold, like the common cold. It can also treat headaches and migraines, and it also helps with hormonal imbalances as well. The technique that's usually used for body Gua Sha is quite different than facial Gua Sha. I have the facial Gua Sha tool right here. I know that we did an entire series on it. If you haven't checked it out, please go check it out. It's very informative. So this is the facial Gua Sha tool, and the goal of this is to increase circulation just like body Gua Sha, but it's using very gentle and slow strokes. You don't need to tug or pull at all using this tool. However, for body Gua Sha, you actually want to apply enough pressure so you can get out any of the knots, so you can decrease the stagnation. And a lot of times when you're applying that much pressure, you will see the appearance of some red marks where you're doing the body Gua Sha. This is very normal. A lot of first time people who do Gua Sha are a little surprised by the redness of these marks, but really they are just surfacing because of the Gua Sha motion that is breaking little capillaries on top of the skin, and usually it heals within 3 to 4 days. It's not as red anymore within the first few days, and you really feel very relaxed and your muscles feel a lot looser after a Gua Sha treatment. So I'm currently applying some oil on her neck and upper shoulders so that we can have a bit of glide as we are doing the Gua Sha. And the neck and upper shoulders are a common area to treat while we're treating any onset cold symptoms, if there's a slight cough that has begun, or for any muscle tension. So when I'm gliding along the neck, it's not like facial Gua Sha where you do want to apply a substantial amount of pressure so that you can scrape that area to release the stagnation. And as you can see, some of the redness is starting to appear. Those are signs of blood stagnation and qi stagnation. And as you can see, she has a lot more stagnation on her left side than her right side. And although this may look intimidating to many people who haven't done Gua Sha before, it's actually not that intimidating. Most patients tell us that it's actually very comfortable and it feels like a deep tissue massage. So while this treatment modality is really amazing for athletes or those suffering from chronic or acute pain or aches, it should be done with caution or avoided in those who are taking blood thinners, those who have bleeding disorders, or menstruating and pregnant women when it's done on their lower abdomen. You can do it on other areas of their body, but it should be avoided on their lower abdomen. It should also not be done on any areas that have injury or have open wounds. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and please tune in next time to learn more about moxa. If you or anyone that you know is experiencing chronic pain or needs help with pain management, please go ahead and make an appointment here at Healing with Zen in Pasadena. We'll leave the link down below.